birds.
Guten Morgen.
Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is shining, and apparently this area where we booked our hotel is something like a wine region. We didn't know about it. We just saw it now that, you know, everything is clear. There's so many vineyards and wineries. What we gonna be doing today, Hunik?
Going to Freiburg.
So we're going to Freiburg. Let's check out the Christmas market again. And we've been there before, but that was like 5 years ago. So yeah, I would love to come back there, and it's only around 25 kilometers from here. We just arrived here at Freiburg. It's colder than yesterday. I think today is -8 degrees. The sky is blue, looks beautiful. It's not foggy anymore. Oh. I love this corner here. It looks very beautiful. So Freiburg is the biggest city in the Black Forest area. And it's kind of busy now. It's just around 10 in the morning. Expecting that the Christmas market will be here in this corner, but apparently not. So we haven't found yet the exact or the biggest Christmas market here. Still closed. Must be very beautiful later when everything is open. The winter is wintering so bad. I can't feel my legs anymore. It's freezing right now. Back here, and they're opening now, and I'm getting my favorite marunan. Käsespätzle. I like it here, you know. There are more food options compared to Colmar. Also got Magenbrot. I don't know how it's called in English. Magen is stomach. So it's stomach bread, I think. It costs 3 euros and 50 cents. This is like 200 grams, right? That's how it looks like, and it tastes like Christmas, authentic Christmas taste. And of course, hot wine to keep us warm.
Okay.
Oh,
Good.
I love the smoke
Yeah.
steaming my face. Ah, oh my god.
Siehst du das Gefährt? Deswegen musst du immer schnell wegmachen im Auto. Hast du das auf Video?
Yeah. We've come to a place called Titisee. Just don't ask me what titi means in Filipino language. It's just so funny. So sea is lake. So it's a lake here. So it's also very popular tourist spot here in the Black Forest. There are loads of ducks here. So every summer you can go for a boat ride here. There's a lot of little malls here. If you love shopping, you're gonna enjoy it here. So beautiful. It's free Wi-Fi. Cool. Taking a break. Got cappuccino, cheesecake, apple with alcohol.